television, no doubt, people see you every day and they connect with you so much. You are more known everywhere outside India also. So that's why our Korean television actors, they are doing so well in their monetary this thing also, and career wise also they are very happy. പക്ഷേ ഒരു monotonous field ആണ് television. എന്താ ഒരു character you are playing, it goes on for 1 year, 2 years. If the show is doing well, every year your remuneration becomes double, that is also doing well. But the character what you are playing is that you see yourself in the same role every day. See, either it is positive role or it is a negative role, and there is nothing in between, you know, one girl suffering and one girl torturing and one main lead. Initially oru nalla pick up and down story, adu kandittu it drags. I am not talking anything about negative about television. Today I got this film because of television. One of my co-stars gave me, people have seen me in Madhubala, they have liked me in Madhubala. But oru contentment performance wise, if you see, korvana, you are doing the same thing every day. So slowly what happens is that it becomes mechanical. It becomes really mechanical. You start acting. You are not a natural performer. Ivide korchi initially enike difficult ayirunnu. VKP sir was like, endana ingane don't do that. This is not serial like that, you know. So because you become so mechanical, okay, I have to cry, I cry, I have to laugh, I laugh. That naturally to come, because daily soap ile endada every day you have to telecast in oru pressure in down. So in a day kore you have like 10 to 12 scenes to act, you know. So you have no time to prepare or, you know, get into that character, feel. In this film it took really long to little bit, you know, go for that natural performance for me. VKP sir said, see, you have to go very naturally, and VKP sir is the last person who will, you know, he said, you are acting natural, be Pallavi, normal. So adana oru television pinne oru film illulla difference. So somewhere I feel money is also important, but more than money, for a creative person, work satisfaction is also equally important. I am not saying I'll go back to television. I love television, and television has given me a lot. If again, you never know what destiny, what you have in your kitty. So if I get a very good television offers, or if I might go back to Madhubala, I have not planned anything yet. But yeah, as a creatively, if you think that, you know, little bit of work satisfaction is less. Honestly, Muttashi Palakkad iltana, Achan Palakkad iltana, I told you. So I was so much emotionally connected to Palakkad childhood onward, since childhood. Endina panna nangalle school vacationally, Karnatakili school vacations indambo, only vacation used to be Palakkad. My dad used to ask me, why every year Palakkad? I'll take you here, I'll take you there, I'll take you to this place. I said, no Papa, I want to go to Palakkad, nowhere else. And last day of my holiday, I used to cry so much that I don't want to leave. So my life has taken a U-turn now, because after Muttashi passed away, korchoru reduce ayi. Uncle-ekka ivadatane Palakkatlana, pakshe varana oru reduce ayi, you know. Muttashi indambo every year, all my cousins used to gather in Palakkad. So my heart and soul is there in Kerala. I love Palakkad and I am very emotionally connected to it. So I always used to tell my dad that, you know, if I work in any this thing, I would love to work in Malayalam film, because I'll be closely, you know, connected to my hometown. And luckily 15 days I shot in Palakkad for Silence, and I was very happy, because if it was any other place, after pack up I had to go to my hotel room. So here, ivide pack up kandittu I had my house here. So I was very happy. I always pray that all my shootings are in Palakkad. Adana endina panna ende family li ellarum valare highly qualified, academically inclined, very highly qualified. My grandfather was he was known for his brain in my hometown, you know, in Karnataka. My mom's dad, Achan, my father is a scientist. My mom also has, you know, she's also done botany major. So everyone in my family is educated. പക്ഷെ ഞാൻ സ്കൂൾ ഡേയ്സ് തൊട്ടിട്ട് തന്നെ എൻ്റെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് സിംഗിങ്, ഡാൻസിങ്, ഡ്രാമ, സ്റ്റഡീസിൽ കുറച്ച് ഇങ്ങനെ ലേഡ് ബാക്ക് ആണ്. പഠിക്കണം, ഇപ്പോൾ നാളെ എക്സാമാണ്, നാളെ സിംഗിങ് കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഡേ നൈറ്റ് പ്രാക്ടീസ്. അപ്പോൾ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് എല്ലാം മോം ഡാഡിനെ പറയണ്ടായിരുന്നു, ഈ ഇവിടെ എന്താ എക്സ്ട്രാ കരിക്കുലർ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസിലാണ് മാത്രം 100% കൊടുക്കുന്നത്, പക്ഷേ സ്റ്റഡീസ് വെൻ ഇറ്റ് കംസ് ടു സ്റ്റഡീസ് ഷീ ഈസ് നോട്ട് സീരിയസ്. And I was never interested in studies. I used to just study so that I can go to my next class. Otherwise, I'll fail. So that was the only fear I had. I had never this dream that, oh, I should become doctor, I should become engineer. And ഞാനൊരു ജനിച്ച സ്ഥലം, it's a very small town. It's a small, I can say that time it was like a village in Karnataka. The name of that place is Kumta. So I studied in my primary schooling was like a small school, you know, where ting 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 ingane bell aile angante oru school aanu. Appo if you come to my hometown and see where I have come from, you will ask me, Pallavi, how did you become an actress? Because it's really impossible. So I have come long way. And the studies കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോഴും I told my dad, I'm not interested in doing job. എനിക്ക് 9 to 5 job, I'm not happy. I want to do acting, or I want to do something which is related to acting. So my dad used to say, നോക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഫാമിലിയിൽ ആരും ഫിലിം ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിൽ റിലേറ്റഡ് അല്ല, അതൊരു റിസ്ക് ആണ്. വി ഡോണ്ട് നോ ഹൗ ദാറ്റ് ഇൻഡസ്ട്രി ഈസ്, വി ഡോണ്ട് നോ ഹൗ യു ആർ എ ഗേൾ, യു മൈറ്റ് ഗെറ്റ് ക്യാരിഡ് അവേ, a tension what a mother and father will have for their daughter, you know. So everybody has that conception of film industry, that oh, film industry is not safe. So I used to say it all depends on individual. Have faith in me. Have, you know, it depends on each individual that how you carry yourself. I had to convince them a lot initially to come into the film industry. എനിക്ക് സീരിയൽ സിനിമ എന്തായാലും ഒരു ആക്ടിംഗിൽ I just wanted to enter, whether it is television or cinema, that did not matter, but good work, a decent work I wanted to do, and a very important role I wanted to play. So Bangalore job cheybo, again I was so frustrated. I called my dad and I told him, Dad, I am going to Bombay tomorrow. If you want to support me, you come with me. So അപ്പോൾ അച്ഛനെ പേടിയായിപ്പോയി. മമ്മി അങ്ങനെ കരയാൻ തുടങ്ങി, അയ്യോ എന്താ ചെയ്യാ ഇപ്പോൾ, ഷീ ഈസ് ഗോയിങ് ടു ബോംബെ, വാട്ട് വിൽ ഷീ ഡു. So dad knew I don't have money also, so he had to come with me. So he came to Bombay with me. Oru accommodation he arranged. He gave me some money. Okay, take care of yourself. He stayed with me oru 4-5 ദിവസം താമസിച്ചു. പിന്നെ കുറേ പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ഹൗസസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഞാൻ ഗൂഗിളൊക്കെ ചെയ്ത് അഡ്രസ്സ് എടുത്തു. ബാലാജി ടെലിഫിലിംസ്, ഏക്താ കപൂറിൻ്റെ കുറേ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് അറിയണ പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ഹൗസ്, ആ ടൈമിൽ ഹിറ്റ് സീരിയൽസിൻ്റെ കുറേ പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ഹൗസിൻ്റെ കോൺടാക്ട്സ് എടുത്തു. I got my pictures clicked. I personally went to those production houses, gave my pictures. I waited for some 6 months. Then I started my first show, Karam Apna Apna. It's a Hindi serial. I started that. There onwards, I never looked back. I was very busy in television, touch wood.